So I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. So if your iPhone get calls but doesn't ring, here are the fastest fixes. First, check the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone. If you see orange, your phone is on silent mode. Second, turn the ringtone volume up. Go to settings, sound and haptics, and raise the ringer volume. Third, check focus mode or do not disturb. If focus is on, calls may be silenced automatically. Fourth, make sure silence unknown callers is off. Go to settings, phone. These settings can send calls from unsaved numbers straight to voicemail. Fifth, disconnect Bluetooth devices. Your ringtone could be playing through earbuds, headphones, or a car speaker instead. Sixth, restart your iPhone. This simple step fixes many random call glitches. And lastly, update iOS and contact your carrier if the issue continues. Because network or SIM issues can also affect incoming calls. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.